Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the latest tech in simple and clear reviews. Today, we are looking at the upcoming iPad Pro M5, a device that aims to push Apple's tablet lineup further. Stick around because this upgrade might be bigger than you expect, and if you're considering a high-end tablet in the next year, this is one you'll want to know about. The first thing that stands out with the iPad Pro M5 is the design. Apple is expected to keep the same premium build with aluminum and a sleek, thin profile, but rumors suggest that we could see even slimmer bezels. The overall feel should remain light, yet durable, giving that signature Apple mix of portability and strength. Small refinements in weight distribution may make it feel easier to hold for longer sessions, whether you're watching content, sketching, or typing. Now let's talk about the display. Apple is likely to move forward with old technology on the iPad Pro M5, bringing deeper blacks, brighter highlights, and better contrast compared to the mini LED panels in the current models. This would make watching movies, editing photos, or even browsing feel more immersive and colorful. The size options should still include 11-inch and 13-inch models, both offering promotion with 120 Hz refresh rates for smooth scrolling and responsive touch. The new display upgrade could be one of the most noticeable improvements in daily use. When it comes to performance, the iPad Pro M5 is expected to ship with the M5 chip. This will be Apple's latest silicon, promising faster CPU and GPU speeds, better efficiency, and improved AI processing. For professionals, this means faster rendering in creative apps, smoother multitasking, and more power for advanced work. Gamers will see better frame rates and enhanced graphics support, making the iPad Pro M5 capable of running console-level games right in your hands. The M5 chip should also help with cooling and power management, so performance doesn't dip during extended use. Software plays a big role here. iPadOS continues to evolve, and with the M5 hardware, we can expect Apple to push more desktop-class features. Things like Stage Manager, external display support, and advanced multitasking will feel more natural on this model. Apple Pencil integration could also see improvements, with rumors suggesting better haptics and even lower latency for drawing and writing. For creative professionals, that could be a game changer. Battery life has always been strong on iPads, and the M5 chip's efficiency could extend it further. Apple is aiming for around 10 to 12 hours of usage, even with the more powerful internals and brighter old screen. Charging speeds may also improve, with the possibility of faster USB-C charging and continued support for Thunderbolt, which makes it easier to connect external drives, monitors, and accessories. For gaming and creative performance, the iPad Pro M5 could stand out as one of the most powerful tablets on the market. Console-level gaming with controller support, cloud gaming compatibility, and Apple Arcade titles will all benefit from the stronger GPU. For creators, apps like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and high-end photo editing tools will run smoother and faster, taking full advantage of the hardware. Speakers and audio are expected to remain a strong point. The iPad Pro series has always delivered immersive sound with its quad-speaker setup, and Apple could refine the tuning for even richer audio. Combined with the improved display, the experience for movies and music will be top-tier. Connectivity will continue to expand. Wi-Fi 7 support is likely, offering faster and more reliable connections. 5G options will still be available for those who want cellular models. With Thunderbolt support, professionals can plug into advanced workflows with external drives, monitors, and other gear seamlessly. Price is always a major factor. Apple will likely keep the iPad Pro M5 at a premium range, with the smaller model starting near the same price point as the current 11-inch Pro, and the larger model at a higher tier. While the price may be steep, the upgrades in display, performance, and creative power could make it worth it for professionals and those who need the best tablet on the market. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get cutting-edge performance, a stunning new OLED display, excellent battery life, strong connectivity, and professional-grade software support. On the downside, the price will remain high, and for casual users, the power may be more than they need. Some may also prefer macOS for advanced workflows, even though iPadOS keeps improving. So, is the iPad Pro M5 worth waiting for? If you're a creative professional, a gamer who wants console-level performance on the go, or someone who values the very best display and performance in a tablet, this will be one of the most impressive devices Apple has released. If you already own a recent iPad Pro, you might only want to upgrade if the old display or M5 chip is important to you. The iPad Pro M5 is expected to launch in early 2025, with both sizes available shortly after the announcement. This could be Apple's biggest leap for the iPad yet, and it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting devices of the year. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. Don't forget to subscribe if you love deep dives into upcoming tech, and stay tuned because we've got more reviews on the way.